stand by on the right. Why are you on the left side?
What's your favorite meal?
All models offer triple torque transmission, energy-efficient air conditioning, and anti-lock mass brakes. So when you're ready to make your next car purchase, make sure it's Behemoth. Human children are toxic to monsters. But thanks to the watchful eye of the Child Detection Agency, there has never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis human toxin free. The brave, the yellow, the CDA.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smoothie Pooh!
Oh, googly bear!
Human child throws me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed its giant...
Oh, we gotta get you home.
Mike Wazowski! And on my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in harbor. You got to get it charged and ready. Spread out and lock it down.
All units, be on the lookout for this child. All clear over here.
Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Go, go. Oh, no. Slam it. It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike Wazowski.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Quickly rendered the situation status to 990. All weekend, either at first or that's the standard human trial here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area with we spread out
So we're good to go.
careful and thorough observation.
Everything under control now, so keep it moving.
Status to 990.
See anything in you? Never saw